Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you all are well and please stay safe. Today we are back with one more interesting video. Yes, this topic is super interesting, guys. This topic is for all the genders and for all the age groups. This is a very important topic and a very interesting one as well. Okay, tell me one thing, who doesn't want it to look good? Every one of us wanted to look good, right? Every one of us wanted to look good, every one of us wanted to look unique, every one of us wanted to look stylish, right? So this video is for you guys. This is all about how to style yourself better. Interesting, right? So without any delay, let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, if you're watching my videos for the first time, I'm Surekha and I make videos on fashion, styling and art. And if you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please do follow me on my Instagram page Designed by Surekha. Since we are talking a lot about styling today, let me tell you what is style in a day-to-day scenario. Suppose if I'm a person who always pairs up my kurti with a denim and go with a simple ear stats with my hair tied up, and if it's my go-to look anywhere, that's my style. The way you dress up is your style sense and the way I dress up is my style sense. So similarly, every one of us have our own style sense and our own style statement. In this video, I'm going to give you few tips which will help you to style better. The first and foremost thing to look good in any dress is confidence. Yes guys, confidence is very important. You have to be confident in whatever dress you wear. And confidence comes when you're happy with yourself, and confidence comes when you are accepting yourself as the way you are. Please don't compare yourself with somebody else and please don't feel insecure. Please keep all those insecurities aside. Coming to one important tip is less is more. I'm telling less is more. Okay? Try to keep it less. That itself is beautiful. That itself is more. Always keep in mind, girls, if you are picking some clothes, it should be like you should wear that clothes and that clothes should not wear you. We have our own beautiful features. So while dressing, the clothes you are wearing should enhance the beauty, should enhance your features. They should not stand out. They should complement you. They should go hand in hand with your best features and they should enhance your beauty. The less you are, the more beautiful you are. The clothes or the jewelry or the makeup or anything, whatever you are wearing should enhance your features. They should not dominate you. They should not stand out. They should go hand in hand with your features. They should complement your features. So while we are wearing clothes or jewelry or makeup, these should enhance our features and they should not dominate our features. Okay, but how can we do that? This can be done by very important thing called balancing. You should always balance your look, whether it be clothing, whether it be in jewelries or whether it be in makeup. You should always know how to balance. Balancing is the key for any look, and balancing is one major thing that decides your look. Now, what is balancing? Suppose if you are wearing a nice voluminous drapery top, you should always go for a close fitted bottom. Yes, you should not go for a voluminous bottom too. If the top is voluminous, you should go for a fitted bottom. As simple as that. This is very simple, guys, but is a very important key. Coming to colors as well, you should not have too many brights in your outfit. You should balance the colors as well. You should balance the brights with the pastels always. Suppose I'm styling for a formal look, okay? I'm having a nice striped pattern shirt. On top of it, if I am again picking a striped tie, what will happen? As a result, they both fight against each other to grab the attention of the eye. So you should never do that. Instead, if I am styling for a formal look, while I'm having a nice striped shirt, on top of it, if I pair it up with a very plain tie, what will happen? As a result, while my shirt is peaking, while the pattern of my shirt is peaking, the tie which I'm wearing will complement to that. The plain tie will go hand in hand with the striped shirt, and as a result, an overall look will be very beautiful and it will be very soothing to the eye which is seeing. I'm allowing the nice pattern of the shirt to speak. I'm keeping my tie very subtle, very basic, so that while my shirt is peaking, the tie will go hand in hand. The tie will complement my striped shirt. So as a result, the overall look will be very soothing and very balancing, and hence it will be a very nice outcome. This is what balancing is. Balancing is picking different things and making them work together. Balancing is not picking different things and making them work against each other. Suppose if you are going to style a sari, if that sari is having a lot of details in it or too many colors in it, just go for a minimalistic blouse. Let the sari speak. Let the pattern of the sari speak. Keep the blouse minimum. Even go for a plain blouse. That how it works. That how balancing works. Suppose if you are planning to wear a distressed denim, guys, please go for a minimalistic top. Let the distressed denim speak. If you are going for a cigarette pants or some plain bottoms, add details. Whatever drama you wanted to add it on top. Because your bottom is plain and subtle, you can do whatever drama you want, you can do on top. But next time while you're styling yourself for any event or any party or any wedding or for any casual outing, just keep in mind that balancing, try to style yourself by using this balancing formula. Definitely you will fall in love with your styling sense. The same formula applicable everywhere in styling any look, whether it be a traditional, whether it be a western, whether it be a casual, any look. Balancing is the key, guys. Balance, balance, balance. That's the only thing I can tell. Now that we have talked about clothing, the same thing is applicable for jewelry as well, guys. Suppose if you want your earrings to stand out, pick a relatively less neck piece, and the vice versa. If you want your neck piece to stand out, pick a relatively less earrings. The same thing is applicable in your makeup as well, guys. When you want your eye makeup to speak, please keep the rest subtle. Please keep your blush or lipstick, everything subtle. Let your eye makeup speak. I'll tell you one more thing where most of us will go wrong. Suppose if we are having a heavy outfit, what people will think is we should have a heavy jewelry for it. No, if you're having a heavy outfit, let that outfit speak. Keep the jewelry relatively less. Don't go for heavy jewelry, don't go for heavy outfit, and don't do a mess there. If you want your outfit to speak, keep the jewelry subtle. If you want your jewelry to speak, keep the outfit subtle. That's how try to balance. If you want your makeup to speak, keep the outfit and jewelry relatively less. That's how it should work. Styling is a huge different subject, guys. We can talk a lot about styling, but it is very important for everybody to have a very basic knowledge about styling. That's it for today, guys. Hope this video is very useful for you, and if you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up button, and also please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do follow me on my Instagram page Designed by Surekha. We'll meet you in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.